So today I'm going to show you the pick list verification. So if you are on the shop floor and you have been given a task to pick and pack before the shipment goes out for the end customer, then you can have like a station setup with a reader. This is FXR90 reader, which will allow you to scan and verify that you pick the right items. So going into pick list verification here, if I were to verify an order, I'm picking an order and I'm gonna pack it up in the container as I verify. Once I start scanning, it will let me know if I have picked the right items to go. So these are the products that are intended to be picked and I'm verifying if it's the right stuff. As you can see, I have picked 2 items, and if I hit submit, I didn't pick the right item because I have a partial order here. Then let me go ahead and scan the rest of it, and there it goes. So you have verified that you have picked the order correctly. Once you submit, you can get a tag, a pallet tag for the container, and it will print out a container tag. As you know, we shipped this order and now you have received this order in your facility, but you need to verify its content. So as you can see, the order that we had scanned is now shipped, and you can see that it is part of the pallet. So you put it in the tote. You can go to the tote and verify, okay, I expect 3 items in this tote, and that's what you got.